Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer, and in our previous videos we've spoken all about the job roles in marketing, finance and consultancy. And today we're going to talk about the roles in HR. So choosing HR as one of your career options after an MBA can be an extremely rewarding deal. So now let's start with a small exercise. So what comes to your mind when you think about what you want from your career? You might want a profession that offers you a chance to help people, opportunities for growth, performing a variety of different tasks, work that you enjoy, and flexible work hours. So if any of these things are on your want list, then a career in HR will be right for you. Our video today, I would like to talk a bit about a certificate program named the MBA Placement Bootcamp from Inside IIM and AltUni that can help you secure dream offers from top companies and make you placement ready. Whether it is a sales and marketing role in the FMCG sector or finance, this program has all the bases covered in the form of electives. With 15 live sessions, 25 plus hours of learning, CV building and interview tips from industry experts, this is a comprehensive program to help build the right intent for you before the placement session starts in your B-School. Find the link in the description below to register for the MBA Placement Bootcamp program and ensure a cracking placement session on campus. With that being said, now let's get back to the video. So now some of you may have the notion that HR is just involved in recruitment and training, or some may even think of Toby, the HR guy from the office. But there is so much more to it. Here's exactly how an HR professional helps develop the human workforce. They help build a bond between the employer and employee. They create awareness about the company goals, objectives and purpose, and ensure that there is transparency related to policies, budgets, and business growth. They also help in implementing employee benefit programs and measure the human workforce and their performance. So next, coming to the responsibilities of an HR professional. So human resource management involves recruiting, training, orienting, and appraising the employees of a company. It is an HR's responsibility to hire employees, look after their benefits, compensation, salary settlement, training, maintain their performance, and ensuring that everything is going according to the company's policies. So the skill set required for HR professionals. So since HR helps in developing business relations and contributing to the success of the organization, they must have the following skills: leadership skills, negotiation skills, ability to look from another person's point of view and accordingly plan policies, sensitization to different cultures, excellent people management and communication skills. Job profiles for an MBA in HR graduates. Most HR professionals choose between two broad career paths, either a generalist or a specialist. HR Generalist. So this is generally an entry-level job for graduates and they handle multiple tasks simultaneously. Their job profile involves recruitment, handling, payroll, attendance, tracking employee engagement activities, induction programs, and performance appraisals. HR Generalists create a back-end system so that all the basic needs of the employees are met. The job titles held by HR Generalists include HR Assistant, HR Manager, and Chief HR Officer. Next, the HR Specialist. So HR Specialists typically work in large organizations. Compared to Generalists, they have a higher level of technical skills and knowledge in specialized areas, such as workforce planning, HR development, rewards, employee and labor relations, and risk management. The specialized job titles or areas within HR include recruiter, retention specialist, compensation specialist, labor relations manager, safety officer, risk management specialist, benefit analyst, and trainer. So now, here's the breakdown of the human resources ladder. So an HR assistant. So the HR assistant performs lower level HR tasks. It involves responding to employees' questions, assisting in events, employee communications, and documentation. Next, an HR generalist. So this role is obtained after having approximately 2 to 3 years of work experience. An HR generalist is largely a tactical role which involves a broad knowledge in HR functions, right from hiring to onboarding and from employee compensation to evaluation. Next, an HR manager. So after having 5 years of HR related experience, HR managers oversee all the elements of the HR program and are responsible for driving cultural change and improving transparency by linking the management and the employees. Next, an HR director. After 10 years of HR related experience, the HR directors own all the human resource efforts across the organization and supervise HR staff to ensure smooth implementation and oversee management of the policies. VP of HR or Chief Human Resource Officer. So they support the organization on wide HR plans and policies, strategies around human capital. This role works with other members of the C-suite to develop HR plans affecting the entire company. Next, organizations that need HR professionals. So there are many sectors today in which HR graduates get highly paid jobs and have employment opportunities. In IT companies, law firms, government sectors, media houses, advertising companies, retail companies, MNCs, they are offered a pay scale based on their qualification, geographical location, company profit, and experience. So the top recruiters include, in the government sector, Ministry of Human Resource Development, Bharat Electronics Limited, SBI, and the Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs, etc. Indian companies include ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Wipro, TCS, and Reliance. MNCs like Unilever, Amazon, Deloitte, Cognizant, and Accenture. Next, coming to the salary structure. So MBA graduates with a specialization in HR receive a starting salary package around 7 to 10 lakhs per annum. After 5 years of experience, they are offered salaries ranging from 12 to 24 lakhs per annum, and HR and mid-level positions get salaries ranging between 10 to 18 lakhs, while those at senior levels get a salary between 25 to 40 lakhs. Here are some of the books every aspiring HR professional must read. Harshita Chaudhary, a TIS alum, said that,
can HR today become the trend sensor, right? And the business starts also operating with those trends and making sure that people are at their highest level of efficiency, productivity, and happiness.
A human resource professional can play a wide variety of roles in an organization. It is an extremely important role, and HR is not only responsible for recruiting the right talent for the organization, but also for contributing to an organization's culture and development. They act as advocates for both the employees and the employer, and it's extremely interesting and challenging role to take up. So let me know in the comments below, what are the myths that you've heard about HR and were they all busted in this video? Thank you so much for watching, and catch you all in our next video.